Yeah, we have 40 radios here.
In the lower 20s. Sunday, partly sunny.
I have almost 50.
Sunday night, mostly cloudy in the evening and clearing. Lows around 17. New Year's Day,
Put the car in park.
highs in the lower 30s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Again, the forecast for west central Wisconsin, including Oakland,
They usually test.
Menominee, and Chippewa Falls for this afternoon, mostly sunny. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. North winds up to 5.
Oh, here we go. Oh. 996.
Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather,
Shut up.
these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
Everything went off.
And every Wednesday
All the
at
new
1
radios
p.m.
went off.
If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now the forecast for west central Wisconsin.